Crowd. Ate, first daw tayo na picture dito naman. Sinong mag-picture dito? Kayo. Okay. Alright. Meron pang isa? May isang, dito naman daw po tayo. Miss Anne, talikod ka.
Talikod?
Dito harap. Dito na yung camera. Ayan. Okay, so nasaan na ba? Kanina pa naghintay. Sama kayo sa picture.
Dito dapat.
Ayan. Dito. Ayan.
Dito dapat.
Ayan. Say hi to the camera. Thank you sa pagpunta ngayon sa ating premiere night. Ayan. Tatag ko kayo. Thank you so much sa pagmamahal. At sabay-sabay tayo manood tomorrow ng The Loved One. Ayan. Okay, so papasok na sila. Ate Anne, kuya ako sa loob. Ayan.
Pero bakit lang naman yung mga yan?
Ayan ako. Talaga naman lalapitan mo na kayo ni Ate Anne bago daw siya pumasok. Alright. Okay. Talaga namang napakaswerte ng mga nagpunta ngayon sa SM Mega Mall dahil eto, talagang lumapit si Ate Anne sa inyo bago pumasok sa loob ng cinema. So tomorrow, susuportahan po natin lahat ang pagbabalik big screen ng tambalan ni Miss Anne Curtis and Mr. Jericho Rosales para sa ating Valentine movie of the year, The Loved One, directed by Direk Irene Villamor. Regalo po sa atin ng Cornerstone and Viva for our Valentine. Ayan, so papasok na po ang ating mga cast. Naghihintay na po si CJ sa loob. Lahat po ng mga guests natin, please, pasok na din po tayo there. We're gonna start the movie shortly. So, thank you po sa Mega Mall, Triami event, Fluff Flowers, and Nostalgia Photo Booth. Salamat. At sa lahat po nagpunta, muli ako po si Inaawan sa inyong host personal.
Yeah, I can see a couple of hands here. Sino naman dito mga loved one? Ayan. Kaya naman, okay, nakita yung mga kamay ninyo. Now, please welcome the brilliant cast and the visionary creators of the loved one. Ara Davao, Ian Pangilinan, Max, Joyce Burton, Catriona Gray, like Irene. Hello, Miss Anne. Hi, Sir Jericho. Please join me here.
Let's go, Annie!
Setting platform. You guys are beautiful. I mean, look at the visuals, ladies and gents. Hello. Ayan. There we have it. Few minutes from now, we're gonna be watching your film. This is your first time watching the film, Miss Anne. I've watched the podcast. We're in a guest ka, and this is gonna be your first time, right?
Yes, this is the first time that I'm really gonna watch it in like one whole run. So I'm very nervous and excited, but yeah, looking forward to going through this journey with all of you guys tonight. So here we go.
Here we go. We are excited for you. Sir Jericho, what's up? Is it your first time to watch this? A man of few words.
No, it's actually maybe I watched a bit of it may preview kami because we had to fix a few things sa post. But I'm so excited to watch it with everyone. It's a final cut. We can't really see who's here, but we're nervous and excited, and we want you to have fun. So please enjoy the movie. Direct, congratulations.
Yeah, congrats, Direk.
There we go. That's the main goal. Mag-enjoy lang tayo. Just, you know, are you the loved one or the lover? Kayong dalawa.
In real life or in the film?
Pwede ba mo sa film?
Yeah.
Or secret mo na?
Secret muna. You guys will, kayo na mag-judge pagkatapos yung panoorin kung sino ba talaga yung lover and the loved one.
Sir Jericho?
Feeling ko si Ann yung multo ng marami. No, joke lang. Both. I'm both. Yeah, both lover, loved one. It depends on time. But right now, I feel like I'm the loved one.
Let's leave it there, Sir Jericho. Maraming tao ang daming tao, they all love you. Do you guys love them? I mean, this tandem, come on. Ladies and gents, Anne Curtis, Jericho Rosales. Now, okay, let's call in the supporting cast as well. Ayan, kasama natin ngayon.
Yes,
Yung Tuesday night pala.
it feels like a Friday.
It feels like a Friday. Hindi wala ako masyadong makita kasi nakabulan yung ilaw.
Yeah, we want to thank SM Lighting Department. Thank you for blinding us.
Ayun, maraming salamat po. Nandito kayong lahat. Sana po supportahan ninyo ng Baybayan ulit. Punta ulit kayo. Invite your lovers, loved ones, friends, family, lahat pwedeng manood dito on Valentine's. Make it your ultimate movie date. Thank you!
Maraming salamat, Direk Irene. Of course, tabagin Max, Joyce Burton, Kat Fiona Gray, and of course, ayan, together with this three amazing people we have over here. Ayan, hello ladies and gents. Wow. All in one frame, ladies and gents. Ayan, may we ask Catriona first for a quick message to all of our lovers and loved ones who are so excited to watch about the movie. Ano yung napipili mo ngayon? This is your debut film.
Oh, hello mga yearners! I'm so nervous and excited din. So, I think we're all on the same boat. I'm so proud to be a part of this project. It's such a beautiful story and I'm sure ang dami nakaka-relate dito sa kwento na to. And sana ma-invite din nyo ng mga friends nyo to watch this Valentine's Day. As was said earlier, bring your family, bring your friends, bring your acquaintances. Lahat na lang! Para saya-saya. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you for the support.
There you go. Of course, a few messages mula sa ating cast.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Joyce Ann Burton. Ako ang mommy ni Ann. Mommy, sister, in my dream. So ako yung magiging mommy ni Ann sa pelikulang ito. Kausap ko yung nanay ko kanina. She's 87 years old. Sabi ng nanay ko, dream daw niya na maging role ko ay maging nanay ni Ann Curtis. Kasi araw-araw nanonood siya ng showcase. So, nag-video pa siya ng message para sa'yo. Baliktad, no? Yung fan yung nag-video ng message. So, excited po ako dahil malaking karangalan ng maging ina ni Ann Curtis sa isang pelikula. Kaya, isang obserbasyon. Paglabas niyo po ng sinihan, maniniwala kayo na mag-asawa sila. Yun lang ang sasabihin ko. Ang galing po talaga ng ang pag-aarte.
There we go. Iwan muna natin doon, Miss Joyce. Again, guys, palakpakan muna natin ang cast. And of course, photo op muna tayo. Ayan. Miss Ann Curtis, I believe meron ka pang last message daw para sa kanilang lahat before you finally watch the loved one sa screen na ito. Okay, for the opportunity, 1, 2, 3. Oops, careful. There we go.
Okay, you guys look great.
Alright, smile for the camera, ladies and gents. There we go. Guys, can I request a small favor mula sa inyong lahat? Can you guys turn on your flashlights sa mga cellphones ninyo for me, please? Buksan natin. Sa inyong mga respective seats, guys. Maraming isa.
Say thank you so much because your music is gonna play such a big part in this film. So thank you. Thanks for being here too.
We also want to thank sila Direk Tonel, ang Walang Kwentang Podcast, sila Bianca, sila Danny, everyone who helped us promote the movie, everyone who talked about love with us, and everyone who actually welcomed us sa mga shows nila. We thank you for supporting this beautiful film.
Right. Eto na. Okay.
So ready to just watch it.
Now, few minutes more at napapanood na natin dito. Again, if you're gonna post this online, please make use of our official hashtag the loved one movie. So kahit saan pang platform sa social media, please make use of our official hashtag. Spread the good news that tomorrow we are finally releasing the loved one in cinemas nationwide. Probinsya, Metro Manila, let us spread the good news, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, eto na. And big shout out as well. How about Joe? Tayo Cup of Joe? The strip version? Chef's kiss, ladies and gentlemen.
Kinaman, naka-relieve. Post po tayong lahat sa mga hindi naman po nagustuhan ng pelikula, wag na kayong mag-post. Indihin nyo na lang yan. Thank
This marriage is permanently great now because Filipino romance is best experienced on the big screen. The Love Duel. This is your Valentine movie. It's a musical.
Ako,